Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY cleansing oil. This cleansing oil is very moisturizing and nourishing for dry skin. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out with, I'll be adding a natural cleansing ingredient. It is an oil and it is called sweet almond oil. This can help to remove dirt, makeup, and other impurities from the skin. Once my almond oil has been added, I'm now going to go ahead and add some jojoba oil. This will not clog your pores. It helps to hydrate the skin. Not only that, but it helps to cleanse the skin as well. This next ingredient, raspberry seed oil, it does not clog your pores. It helps to retain the water in the cells of the skin. It is very lightweight and it is very moisturizing. The very last ingredient that I'll be adding to my cleansing oil today is going to be vitamin E. This is a great moisturizer. Not only that, but it will help to prolong the shelf life of the rest of the oils that I'm using. So now that I have all my ingredients in my beaker, I'm gently stirring this. I want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. So it really was that easy to create this cleansing oil today. It only was 4 ingredients, but they're so beneficial and nourishing for dry skin. So let me go ahead and pour this into my spray bottle. I chose a spray bottle because it's very easy and convenient to use. Here in my hand, I have some eyeshadow, some concealer, and some lipstick. I'm going to apply some of the cleansing oil to my hand and gently rub it in. And as you can see here, it really is dissolving all that makeup that I had. And then I'm going to follow up with some warm water and just wipe everything away. Here is the formula for the cleansing oil that I made today. I've also included some substitutions as well. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.